Linoleum flooring and its many advantages. Dear friends, linoleum flooring has been a popular flooring choice for many years, and good reason. It has various advantageous properties which we'll explore in detail in this video. Linoleum is easy to install and maintain. Unless you opt for a sheet-based product, installation of linoleum flooring is typically very easy. It's simple to clean, and if it gets dented or scratched, you won't see a different colored layer beneath due to its unique design. Linoleum is cost-effective. One of the biggest benefits of linoleum flooring is its cost-effectiveness. The material is long-lasting and durable, making it ideal for use in any setting. Since linoleum isn't made from wood or other natural materials, like many other types of flooring, it won't shrink or expand when exposed to moisture. Linoleum is naturally moisture-resistant. Many floors have the unfortunate tendency to retain moisture, which can result in mold, mildew, and other problems. Linoleum is made from linseed oil, wood flour, and cork, and therefore has a moisture resistance that prevents these issues from occurring. This makes it ideal for kitchens and bathrooms, as well as anywhere else where water spills are likely to occur regularly. Linoleum is made from renewable materials. The raw materials used to make linoleum are very sustainable. One of the main components of linoleum is linseed oil, which is a renewable resource harvested from the seeds of flax plants. The other major ingredient is cork, which comes from trees that can be harvested every 9 years. Because cork is such a sustainable resource and it's typically produced as an industrial byproduct, there's no need to cut down entire forests just to produce flooring or furniture products. Linoleum is recyclable. Old linoleum, including the remnants and scraps from production, can be recycled to create new sheets of flooring. This type of recycling process minimizes the amount of waste that would otherwise be produced in manufacturing new products. Linoleum is ideal for any allergy sufferer. Linoleum flooring is a great option for individuals who have asthma or other respiratory issues, as it doesn't contain any allergens that can aggravate their condition. Linoleum is fire retardant. Linoleum is known to have excellent resistance to heat, so it will not catch fire easily even if there is a small fire accident. As long as the flames are contained within the area where they started, then there won't be any danger of spreading to other parts of the building. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.